Hello, my name is Fiona, and I am a certified teacher and a Praxis coach with Study.com. Are you preparing to take the Praxis Elementary Education Exam 5018? This is a multi-subject exam for elementary education. These questions are sample questions from the mathematics category and specifically cover the subtopic of algebraic thinking. Let's review some of the types of questions you may encounter on the exam. Let's get started. Problem number 1. Mary and Penny are collecting stamps. Penny has 15 less than thrice the number of stamps that Mary has. If Mary has X stamps, how many stamps does Penny have? Let's break this down. Penny has 15 less than 3 times the number of stamps Mary has. So Penny's number of stamps is equal to 3 times Mary minus 15. And we know that Mary has X stamps, so we change that to 3X minus 15, and this is how many stamps Penny has. And we can find that right there, 3x minus 15. Problem number 2. Which of the following equations gives the rule for the given points below? So here are our data points, and we've got each of these. Let's plug the values in, and we can just see from there. So let's start here with -1 and -1. So y equals -1 equals -1 plus 1, which is equal to 0. So that is not the correct answer. Let's look at the next one, and let's try this. Y equals 3. And then 3 times x, which is 1, minus 1. And that is equal to 3 minus 1, which is 2. So that is not correct. Let's look at this for our next one. Y is 7 is equal to 3 plus 2, which is equal to 5. So that is not the correct answer either. Finally, we've got, let's try that one. 5 equals 2 times 2 plus 1, which is equal to 5. That's correct. Let's try it with 2 more data points. 1 equals 2, 0 plus 1 equals 1. That is correct. So we can safely say that that is the correct answer. Problem number 3. What type of equation is 3x squared plus 2x minus 10 equals 0? Radical, linear, cubic, or quadratic? Let's review each. A radical equation includes at least one radical sign that contains a variable. And a radical sign is that. And it's not in our equation, so this is not a radical equation. Next, linear equation is also called a 1-degree equation, where the highest power of the variable is always 1. For example, ax plus b equals 0. We have a square, so that cannot be the case either. We can eliminate that. A cubic equation, ax cubed plus bx squared plus cx plus d equals 0, where a, b, and c are the coefficients and d is the constant, but there is no cube in ours, so it is not a cubic either. A quadratic equation. A standard form will be ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. A necessary condition for a quadratic equation is that the coefficient of x squared is not equal to 0. In this example, a is not equal to 0. And this is very much what the form of our equation is here, and it is definitely a quadratic equation. Problem number 4. Which of the following is the correct value of x? So the equation we have is 5x plus 3 equals 3x plus 7. So let's write that down. 5x plus 3 is equal to 3x plus 7. So we want to put all the x's onto one side. So let's take 3x away from each side. So now we're left with 2x plus 3 equals 7. Now we want to put the whole numbers onto one side. So we're going to take away 3 from each side. So now we have 2x equals 4. We divide each side by 2, and we end up with x equals 2. So there's our correct answer. I hope I was able to answer your questions so that you now have a better understanding of the types of questions you can expect to find on the test. Please remember to like and subscribe to this channel so that with Study.com's help, you will feel confident and prepared on exam day. Bye for now.